In your CSS prep, do you find yourself underinformed to prepare, understand, and remember 12 different subjects? Do you sometimes wish that there was some way that you could learn about all the important stuff related to CSS? If you think you are alone in this thought, you are not. At our survey at Nearpeer, 63% respondents reported lack of knowledge and content to be the single biggest challenge in their English essay prep. This is due to the fact that there is no CSS starter kit, which could build the knowledge foundations of the aspirants upon which they can kickstart their preparation. Well, not until now. After over a year of work, we have come up with a perfect solution. This course series is designed with the objective to build knowledge foundations of the aspirants. It is sort of a one-stop knowledge booster that will equip you with the necessary information to make the actual CSS prep quite unchallenging. This series is composed of various courses pertaining to various areas of knowledge, such as history, important books, and issues, among others. And each of these will consist of video lectures with a focus on key issues, key events, individuals, ideas, and issues, explanations with pictures, videos, maps, and timelines for visualization, MCQ tests to improve your retention, and additional readings and resources to improve your command over each topic. Together, these will be of immense help in current park affairs, political science, IR, the histories, sociology, and many others, but especially English essay. With this course, you will gain knowledge, confidence, and perspective that will improve your effectiveness astronomically. My name is ABRAR, and this is my CSS Essentials course series at Nearpeer. So check out the link in the description box and our free introductory lectures for more details. See you in class.